Hello, hi, welcome to Math Potas. Let's solve this Olympiad question today. This question will cover multiple concepts. So let's get started. So let me simplify this equation first. I can write 8 as 2 cube to the power x plus 27 as 3 to the power 3 to the power x divided by, I'll change 12 to 4 into 3 to the power x plus 18 as 9 into 2 to the power of x equal to 7 by 6. So let me further simplify this. This is nothing but 2 to the power of x cube plus 3 to the power of x to the power cube divided by, this is 4 to the power of x into 3 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x into 2 to the power of x equal to 7 by 6. I can simplify this even further, which is 2 to the power of x whole cube plus 3 power x whole cube divided by, this is nothing but 4 is 2 square to the power x into 3 to the power of x. 9 is 3 square to the power of x into 2 to the power of x equal to 7 by 6. So this is nothing but 2 power x cube plus 3 power x cube divided by 2 power x square to 3 power x plus 3 power x whole square into 2 to the power of x equal to 7 by 6. So if you see this equation in the denominator and in the numerator, you find two common terms which are 2 to the power of x and 3 to the power of x. So we can even oversimplify this by making 2 to the power of x equal to a and 3 to the power of x equal to b. So substitute these values in the above equation and it becomes a cube plus b cube divided by a square into b plus ab square equal to 7 by 6. So if you see the numerator, this is nothing but a cube plus b cube. So you remember the formula for a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So substitute this formula in the above equation. So in the previous page, this was the equation which we got. So I'll substitute a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square divided by, in the denominator, I'll take a and b as common. So ab into a is a square b plus ab into b is ab square. So equal to 7 by 6. So if you see, I can cancel out a plus b and a plus b. So this becomes a square minus ab plus b square by ab equal to 7 by 6. So cross multiply, which is 6a square minus 6ab plus 6b square equal to 7ab. This comes to the left hand side, which is 6a square minus 6 plus 7 is 13ab with the minus in the front plus 6b square equal to 0. So now you need to solve this quadratic equation. So trying to find the roots of this equation. So 6 into 6 is 36. I can write 36 as 9 into 4 equal to 36. So this is nothing but 6a square minus 9ab minus 4ab plus 6b square equal to 0. So here in the first term, I'll take 3a as common. So 3a into 2a is 6a square minus 3a into 3b is 9ab. I'll take a minus over minus common here. Minus, I'll take 2b as common here, which becomes 2a minus 3b equal to 0, because 2b into 2a is 4ab and 2b into 3b is 6b square. So further take 2a minus 3b as common and it becomes 3a minus 2b equal to 0. So now we have two solutions. One is 2a minus 3b equal to 0, 3a minus 2b equal to 0. So this becomes 2a equal to 3b and 3a equal to 2b. But remember, we have taken a as 2 power x and b as 3 power x. So substitute that values and solve for it. So let's do it now. So these are the two equations which we got from the previous page. Now substitute a equal to 2 to the power of x and b equal to 3 to the power of x. So putting those values in the first equation, which is 2 into 2 to the power of x equal to 3 into 3 to the power of x. Then the second equation, 3 into 2 to the power of x equal to 2 into 3 to the power of x. So this is nothing but 2 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into x plus 1. But this you need to simplify it further. 2 power x by 2 equal to 3 power x by 3. So this is nothing but 2x into 2 to the power of minus 1, 3 power x into 3 power minus 1. So this becomes 2 power x minus 1 equal to 3 power x minus 1. So these are the two equations which we got for us to find the values of x. If you see in the first equation, 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power x plus 1, these two terms, see this very carefully, these two terms become equal only when their powers are equal. When 2 power 0 equal to 1, 3 power 0 equal to 1. Only in this case they both become equal. So for them to become equal, our power x plus 1 should be equal to 0, which gives us a value of x equal to minus 1. And coming to the second equation, which is 2 power x minus 1 equal to 3 power x minus 1. Here the bases are different. Even for this term to be equal, x minus 1 should be equal to 0. Then only 2 power 0 is 1 and 3 power 0 is 1. So x equal to 1. So we got two values here, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. Let's try to put these values in the question and then try solving them and see whether we are getting 7 by 6 or not. So now substitute x equal to 1 in the question, which is 8 power 1 plus 27 to the power of 1 divided by 12 to the power 1 plus 18 to the power 1. This is equal to 35 divided by 30, and this goes off with 5 times 7 and 5 times 6, which is equal to 7 by 6. So yes, x equal to 1 is one of our solution. And let's try with x equal to minus 1 also. If you substitute this in the question, it becomes 8 power minus 1 plus 27 to the power of minus 1 divided by 12 power minus 1 plus 18 to the power minus 1. So let me solve this further. This is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 27 divided by 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18. So in the numerator you don't have anything common, which is nothing but 18 to 27, 27 plus 8 divided by, I'll take 1 by 6 as common here, which becomes 1 by 2, 6 into 2 is 12 plus 6 into 3 is 18. So this is nothing but 35 divided by 27 into 8 is 216 divided by 1 by 6 times, this is nothing but 6 is the LCM, 2 plus 3, so which is equal to 35 divided by 216 divided by 5 by 36. So you can cancel out numerators and the denominators. Numerators 5 ones are, 5 sevens are, 36 ones are, and 36 six are. This is equal to 7 by 6. So x equal to minus 1 is also our solution. So this question has two solutions, which is x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Math Potus.